Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Unbounce to build high converting landing pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Unbounce account. Once logged in, click on the Create New Landing Page button. Choose a template that aligns with your campaign goals. Preview the template to ensure it meets your expectations. Select Start with this template to proceed. Now, you'll be directed to the page editor interface. Familiarize yourself with the editing tools available. To edit text, click on the text box you wish to modify. Highlight the existing text and enter your new copy. Ensure your copy is concise and persuasive. Next, look for the Images section on the left sidebar. Drag and drop an image element onto the canvas. Click on the image box to upload an image from your device. Make sure the image aligns with your brand and campaign message. To add a form, locate the Forms section in the sidebar. Drag the form element onto your landing page. Customize the fields to capture essential information from your leads. Limit the number of fields to increase conversion rates. Add a compelling call to action button within the form. Label the button clearly, such as Get Your Free Trial. Next, navigate to the Settings tab at the top. In the Settings menu, define your landing page title and description for SEO. This is crucial for search engine visibility. Set up UTM parameters to track your campaign's performance. Return to the editor and ensure all elements are responsive. Click on the Mobile View toggle to review the mobile version. Make any necessary adjustments for better user experience. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button located at the top right. Choose to publish to an Unbounce domain or your own custom domain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.